Building strong glutes is not just about aesthetics. It's essential for overall strength, stability, and injury prevention. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 exercises that will help you sculpt and strengthen your glutes effectively. Let's dive right in. First up is the classic squat. This exercise is a powerhouse for your glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and as you lower your body, push your hips back as if you're sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and your knees aligned with your toes. Aim for at least 90 degrees at the knees. To really target those glutes, focus on squeezing them as you rise back up. You can add weights to increase the challenge, but make sure your form remains solid. Next, we have the hip thrust. This one is a game changer for glute activation. Find a bench or a sturdy surface and sit on the ground with your upper back against it. Roll a barbell or place a weight plate over your hips. Plant your feet flat on the ground, shoulder width apart. As you push through your heels, lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second before lowering back down. This exercise isolates the glutes like no other, so don't skip it. The third exercise is the deadlift. This compound movement not only works your glutes, but also engages your hamstrings and lower back. Stand with your feet hip width apart, holding a barbell or dumbbells in front of you. As you hinge at the hips, lower the weights while keeping your back straight. Once you feel a stretch in your hamstrings, push through your heels to return to standing. Remember, it's all about that hip hinge. Keep your core tight and avoid rounding your back. Now, let's talk about lunges. They're fantastic for building strength and stability in your glutes. You can do forward lunges, reverse lunges, or even side lunges for variety. Step forward with one leg, lowering your back knee towards the ground while keeping your front knee aligned with your ankle. Push back to the starting position and switch legs. To intensify the workout, add weights or perform walking lunges across the room. Finally, we can't forget about glute bridges. This exercise is simple yet incredibly effective. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels and lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a moment, then lower back down. You can make it more challenging by placing a weight on your hips or doing single leg variations. Incorporating these 5 exercises into your routine will not only help you build strong glutes, but also improve your overall fitness. Remember to focus on proper form and gradually increase the weights as you get stronger. Consistency is key, so keep pushing yourself, and you'll see results in no time. Happy training!